Okay, so hello YouTube. It's BLAQ Pope from Tech Snooze, and this video is a kind of introductory video on what the channel is all about. So if you read the channel's description, you're going to find out that the channel is all about making money online, how to get free stuff, how to do certain stuff that everybody should know how to do, and not to pay anybody to actually do it for them or something else. So that's what the whole channel is about. So if you are into making free data online, making money online, getting tips and tricks, finding the best apps you can use for so many things, how to design, how to blog, how to make money, like the contents are endless. So just watch out for the content, and when they arrive, just like. And if you already haven't subscribed to the channel, I recommend you subscribe now so you don't miss out on any of the fun stuff that I'm going to drop really soon. So stay blessed.